Can you know who is stalking you on Facebook? So let's get started. No, Facebook does not provide a feature or tool to see who is viewing or stalking your profile. Any claims, apps, or websites that promise to reveal who is stalking your Facebook profile are not legitimate. These are typically scams, phishing attempts, or tools that violate Facebook policies. Firstly, Facebook has clearly stated that users cannot see who views their profile. While you cannot know who is stalking your profile, you can simply see reactions or comments on your post. You can see who views your Facebook stories, but this only applies to those who interact with your stories, not your profile. Sometimes, frequent profile visits or mutual activity can trigger friends' suggestion, but this is also indirect. So, if you are concerned about privacy or stalking, you can simply make your account locked or block or report users who engage in unwanted behavior. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.